Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Vira Albionita. I am from Agrotechnology Faculty of Agriculture Science and Technology, Warmadewa University. For this national selection, I have chosen SDG 2, which is Zero Hunger, as my focus specifically about climate smart agriculture. This will be a persuasive speech. Let's look at our surroundings. We see a world that is hungry for more than just food. It is hungry for sustainability. As a student of agrotechnology, I see a paradox. We are producing more foods than ever, yet our soils is dying, our farmers are struggling, and the climate is becoming our greatest adversary. The question is, how can we achieve zero hunger if the very foundation of our food system, our soils, and our farmer is in crisis? In Indonesia, agriculture is the backbone of our economy, but this is a backbone that is starting to crack. Decades of chemical over-dependency and the traditional farming methods that ignore climate shift have led to land degradations. We often talk about the food security as a matter of quantity. How many tons of rice can we harvest? But as an agri-technology student, I argue that we must talk about the food sovereignty and the resiliency. We are facing the silent crisis, the loss of biodiversity in our soils. When the soils lose this health and the crop lose their nutrients and eventually the people lose their future. We cannot solve hunger with old methods in the new climate reality. I am here today to persuade you that the future of zero hunger lies in the hand of technology-driven grassroots innovations. We need a shift towards climate smart agriculture or CSA. It is not just about expensive drone or high technology sensor. It is for Indonesia, it's about precision agriculture and the smallholder levels. I propose three pillars of actions. Number one is soil health literacy. We must persuade our farmers to move from feeding the plants to feeding the soils using organics, ingredients, and microbial technology. Number two is adaptive crops management, utilizing agrotechnology to develop and distribute seeds that are resilient to drought and the floods. Number three is digital extension service, using our roles as students to bridge the gap between laboratory research and the farmers' fields. Innovation is useless if it stays in the lab. We must persuade our academic and government institutions that zero hunger starts with empowering the persons who hold the who. So, I ask my fellow students, the judges, and the policymakers, are we going to keep treating agriculture as a relic of the past, or we will embrace its a high-tech solution for our future? We need to invest the brains of our farmer, not just the chemical of their fields. As an agrotechnology student, I don't see the plants. I see a complex biological systems and the whole decay to our survival. I invite you to support a movement where the science meets the soils, when the technology meets the heart of the village. 5 minutes ago, I spoke about cracking backbones. Now, I stand here with a vision of a resilient, green, and hunger-free Indonesia. A world where every seed planted is a promise of a better tomorrow.